If you are looking for an alloy wheel repair service in the Formby area, you've come to the right place. We provide a fully mobile service throughout Formby and the surrounding areas. Although quite a severe example, the damage to this wheel is typical of the type of damage we repair every day. As you can see, this wheel has been quite heavily curb damaged. The first stage of the repair process is to give the wheel a thorough clean and degrease. Because the damage to this wheel is mainly on the very outer edge, we've actually separated the tyre from the rim to improve access. This isn't always necessary, but we do have a tyre machine in the van should the need arise. You can see that we've masked off the tyre to protect it. We now begin to sand out the damage where possible and use specialist filler compounds where necessary on any of the deeper gouges. Once again we're back to cleaning, another thorough clean and degrease to remove sand and dust to prepare the wheel for primer. We carry a wide range of silvers and other colours on the van. This enables us to match the original colour of the wheel for a seamless repair. Next, the primer coat is applied. Due to the damage on this wheel, we are priming pretty much the full face of the wheel. For many repairs this just isn't necessary. We can often keep the repairs to a very small area of the wheel. Once dry, the primer is sanded, ready to receive the silver base coat. A good wipe down with the tack rag and the wheel is now ready for the silver base coat. Here you can see the silver coats being applied and the wheel is finally starting to look like an alloy again. Now for the final stage of the painting process, several coats of tough clear lacquer. Once the lacquer coats are completed, the wheel is dried under a shortwave UV lamp. With the masking removed, the tyre is inflated to reseat the bead. And here is the finished wheel, all ready to be refitted to the car. From this to this, at a time and a place to suit you.